Go to code group section in ATLAS.ti, right click and call this new group. For this code group, I want to call it subjective understanding of parental engagement. Subjective understanding of parental engagement. Then we go to create. That's will be one of our themes. And by the way, I can go and try to edit this. So I go to rename. This one will not be, I want to call this theme #1. So I label this theme and click rename. So this is a theme. Remember, the first question we were asking these people is, what does it mean in school when people talk about parental engagement? Let's write that down somewhere. So I want to right click and go to new memo. This theme represents the subjective understanding of parental engagement according to the interviewees. You see, when we click, there's a memo kind of an icon here. When we click on it, we can read what that theme means. And then remember, every code that came from question number 1 was marked as red. We marked the first question as red. I'm going to go and grab all the codes that are marked red by pressing Control, clicking on them. I drag and drop them under that theme. In ATLAS.ti, these codes will get duplicated. Under this theme, we have 4 codes. You can see they are being counted for 1, 2, 3, 4. And these are the codes. Let's form another theme. Let's go to code groups. Okay, new group. And then let's see what will be the second theme. If you look at them, you will see engagement is based on effective teaching relationships. Now consider the question that was being asked. What types of parental engagement are most effective? So this theme can be theme 2, effective forms of parental engagement. Then we press create. So effective forms of parental engagement. What are they? Look at these codes. Engagement based on effective parent-teacher relationships, having informal chats with parents, parents visiting the classroom, parents volunteering in the classroom, phone call with parents, social and community-based events, those with a strong purpose. So all those codes, drag and drop them in this code group. And that's how you get all codes under that code group. Combined codes are what are forming themes. Basically, that's how we do coding, or we go from interview transcripts all the way to getting themes in ATLAS.ti. Then, with that in mind, we can go to Codebook and export a form of